sure you can.
You got to. You have to ride it again. You have to ride it again.
Oh, dude.
I'm gonna do y'all solid today. CRF450 won't start. It's gonna happen a lot over the winter, guys. So be ready. Be sure and like and subscribe, and I'm gonna do you real solid right here. I'm gonna show you how to get her fired up easy, and I'm gonna show you how to store it for the winter time so that next spring you ain't calling up Twist and Piston and having Blake clean your carburetors for $926.
That's $850.
How much?
$850.
$850. You let them ride it.
Before
work with you
tax.
around $650. Yeah. Tax is a bitch too. You got state, federal, mullet.
Yep. Comes out to about $12.50.
BS tax is going to be expensive. 07 CRF450. And there's a few ways you could do it. You could either kick it over all day or
And not start it?
yeah, and not start it. That ain't gonna fix it. You could say to your friend, hey, you know, check out this 450 at fires first kick, just see what happens, let him kick the hell out of it for a while. You could tell your friend can't start it. That usually works pretty good. You could use starting fluid.
Or tell him if he can start it, he can ride it.
Yeah, and let's say hypothetically too, this bike starts up but dies right away. Give it gas, dies. Off the choke, wants to die right away. Everybody wants to dive right into the carburetor, and it's not the carburetor, guys, it's the gas. Let me show you something. Check it out. Ain't even the carburetor, it's the gas. Now this is what I call a pit bike. It's for, you know, kids pulling around, you know, horsing around, for kids mainly.
Mostly.
I ride manlier bikes. They're a lot smaller. They make me look a lot bigger. So if you ever seen me on one naked, you wouldn't know what to think. Fuel, air, and compression. We're not going to do anything but check for fuel right now. Looking in the gas tank don't tell you nothing. Lots of times Blake tell me it's got gas in it, and then I got to make him pull the line off of the thing. So here's what we do. 2 tools, flathead and a pair of pliers. You may need a Phillips, I don't know. There's a fuel switch here. There's a few places where this gas can get stopped up. It can get stopped up here, it can get stopped up here. Best thing to do, go all the way to the source. Sometimes your bike won't start, and it's because this has turned bad. The gas in here has turned bad, but the gas in the tank's fine.
That's your bowl. That's your reservoir. That's the fuel that's about to be used right then and there.
Yep, the only fuel. All this good gas, even if you topped it up, if this has shit gas in it, won't make a difference. Strip that out. We're getting gas. Another way you can do this on the trail is lean it over. Now, if I turn this switch off, you'll see that eventually it stops. Maybe, I might have just turned it on. We're getting fuel. Lots of times you'll do that and there won't be any gas. In which case you would come to here and you would pull this fuel line off and make sure gas is going from your tank to your carburetor inlet. Do that with a pair of pliers. Sometimes you pull that off, no gas is coming out. This could be dirty or this switch could be in the wrong position.
And then if that is flowing, then you know it's your needle valve inside your carb that's clogged up.
Yes. So if it's got gas to here, you're not getting it through here, then like he said, you know it's your float and your needle valve that's all clogged up and not letting it through. So we know this has gas in it. Lots of times you'll do that, bad gas will pour out. I have bikes, I'm telling you, let them sit 30 days, guys. They're not gonna want to start. 45 days without riding them, they're not gonna want to start. You're gonna have to drain the bowl on them. I can kick wife's big wheel out there 20, 30 times, not gonna start. Drain the gas out of it, let it fill up, kick it twice, it'll start right up. But when you let them sit like that, it's not gonna work. I got another tip for you. When people tell you, oh, just run the gas out of your carburetors, turn the fuel off, let the engine run until it dies. That's gonna leave you with about this much gas in your bowl. As soon as it's not touching the idle jet no more, she's gonna die. You're gonna have gas in it. And if it's a 2-stroke, oh, just turn the switch off, make sure you're running out of gas. Well, guess what? When you run your 2-stroke out of gas, you run her out of oil.
Yep.
Because daggum oil's in the gas. So what you want to do is turn this switch off when you go to store it, open that screw up, and just let her piss till there's nothing left. Then you know the carb's dry, 100%. And then at that point, you can let it sit.
Put some stabilizer in it or dump the gas.
You could try the same gas next year, it'll probably be fine. But if you let it sit inside that bowl, it'll clog up all them passages, it'll turn bad really quick. It stores a lot better in a tank like this, not in your carb bowl. Sometimes you'll take a carb off, it'll be clean as a whistle, just had bad gas in it. So that's number 1. Number 2 is checking your compression. Quick way to do that when you buy one, I just put her in gear, other than kicking it. I come on back here and I make sure, oh yeah, that's some compression, boys. The best way to check the compression is pull a spark plug and run a gauge in it and do it that way. I don't feel like pulling the spark plug off of here. I would have to take the tank off to do it. It's a pain in the ass, but you would check, make sure there's spark on it. I'll show you on another machine real quick. This is a lot easier. A lot of your dirt bikes, YZ, KX, CRF, carb's gonna be here, your fuel drain's gonna be here. Usually it's gas, guys. There's not a lot of electrical system on this dirt bike at all. So it's not like you're gonna burn it. You don't go dip it, you don't go submerge it in water like you do a four-wheeler. I rarely have spark issues from a modern four-stroke dirt bike, ever. Old two-stroke, that's a little different. So now that we know we got good gas in the bowl, because this thing's been sitting, pull the choke. I didn't confirm which way's on this. Let me see. That's off right now. That's strange.
Yeah.
When it doesn't have it written on there like that, you have to pull the line and find out for yourself. Maybe even mark it. All right, boys. Most times your bike isn't starting, it's because of the fuel in it. Trust me. Trust me. Unless you're riding it and it blew up or something. But if it's been sitting, it's probably a fuel issue. You can avoid all of that if you just open that up and let the gas drain out of the carb. So let's say I'm going to store this bike. Turn this fuel to off, right? Take this flathead, take it out here instead of in the floor. Open this up.
Let her pop a squat.
Yeah, let her, give her some privacy, obviously. See it coming out back there? She's tinkling. Just give it a minute. This ensures all of it comes out. You can run it and do it that way. It's not that bad for a four-stroke. But have you ever heard a two-stroke run out of gas? The idles go through the roof. You run out of gas, she just goes right through the roof.
Yep. Sounds like Al-Qaeda, dude.
We got a lot of bonfires this year. We're gonna need gas.
Oh yeah.
Bonfires, gas, they go
Oh yeah.
together like
Like
tits and mustaches.
yeah.
Always had to check for spark. It's the same thing on the CRF. It's the same thing on the CRF. It's just easier for me to do for demo purposes. They sell this nifty little thing at the AutoZone, the Harbor Freights. This is how I would say you can check spark. Really easy. Put this here and here. Go ahead and kick her. And we'll see. You guys tell me if she sparks. Okay, she's sparking.
I didn't see.
I did.
On camera. Oh, okay.
If you don't have this tool, that's fine. You're gonna want to get this spark plug, take it out. It's like a 9-volt, kind of like a 9-volt battery. You stick it to your tongue, and you kick the button.
Or your nips.
Or your nips, but get them wet.
You gotta wet them. Yep.
Wet them.
Have you or your buddy wet them if you can't reach.
And then, yeah, wet them real good, boys.
And then have your strongest legged buddy kick.
It's also easier to hold this with your butt cheeks.
Oh yeah, you can do it. You can.
So now that the plug's out, I can kick it over. It'll be pretty easy because there's no compression because the plug hole's open. So you see that she's sparking.
Spark for days.
Okay. Here's a real easy compression test, guys. Take your finger. Get that plug wire out of there now. You don't want to get that. Give her a reach around. Her a reach around. Okay, that sounds like pretty good compression to me.
Yep.
They sell this nifty little tool, same size as your spark plug. You thread her into the hole. Hold the throttle wide open. See, look, the thread's right in there. You thread it in. You hold the throttle wide open. You kick it a few times. You refer to your manual and see if you have good compression. Gonna get you a Phillips. Nothing too official. Don't get nothing that's an overkill or nothing. Just an appropriate tool for what you need.
It's my favorite. That one's my favorite
Put it in there.
screwdriver.
Turn this out. Let's let all that old gas come out there.
Make sure we're getting all of that.
Be sure to lose the daggum screw. As you can see, there ain't much gas in there because I've been storing it. I do this.
I had been stored it.
But I also lost. How did I lose the, there it is.
Good for huffing.
Here's the groovy grate. Makes your exhaust pipe smell like like grapes.
It's that part.
Bubble gum. Now, if y'all ever smell this around here, it's because of this stuff. My gas, it's a joke. I do this just so I can catch people. And this one makes it smell like, what do y'all call it? Reefers.
Oh.
Reefers. You guys, I wasn't talking Blake. I meant you guys. What do you Cali boys call this? So you can get you some of that. Make your bike smell like the hood, boy. You make it smell like daggone Motel 6. Be sure and like and subscribe. Because I'm watching. I know who does and who doesn't. Take it away, Blake. Don't even get me started on who doesn't share. Yep.
You want me to come crack a full Coors can over your motherfucking heads?
Over your heads, boys. A full one, too. Talking about full one.
I ain't playing around y'all.
I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing. It's actually Thanksgiving today, so happy Thanksgiving. What better day to give this bag away? So if y'all seen the video, you know what's in it. This is Z50 I'm working on here. All 84, just got it back from powder coat and stuff. Getting her put together. It's going to be like new. First one to comment Z50. I'm going to mail it out to you guys. So appreciate you watching. You're going to be real safe this winter with this. So thanks again, guys, and happy Thanksgiving. Be sure and like and subscribe. Take a look at the tank, man.
Got a lot of paint, dude.
I'm going to need your JB welding skills. So yeah, he took that apart so it'd fit in the van, I suppose.
No,
He's your kind of guy. He had a van.
oh, sweet.
I mean, he did have
What
a legit
kind,
van.
rape or non-rape van?
It was a mini, but it was still pretty rapish.
Dude,
He did me solid. He said he put all the bolts back in there.
he did. Dude, this is cool as shit.
Peep the tank, dog. Now pick it up.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I'm starting to see that.
Oh, yeah. It looks like it's good.
Maybe we'll get us a,
Hey.
maybe make it a hat. See, try it on.
Oh, dude, that'd be a good, helmet.
Just a jaggedest fucking
I've had
tetanusy
my
helmet.
I've had my tennis shoe. I like how he cut it out.
Yeah, he was gonna fix it, I think.
Yeah.